4 years after her death, the family of a popular Waianae High School teacher is finally seeing justice. The verdict was handed down today in Titleman Fauatea's murder trial. KITV4's Jill Kuramoto reports.
I think we're all kind of relieved that it's finally come to some kind of fruition.
For Brian Yamashita, it's been 4 painfully long years, and the judge's decision today helped him find closure.
At this time, the court finds you, Titleman Fauatea, guilty as charged of the offense of murder in the second degree.
It was February 2009 when Yamashita's wife Asa was attacked and killed as she sat on a bench at the Eva shopping center while she waited for Brian to pick her up. Court documents say Titleman Fauatea bought a foot-long kitchen knife from Long's at the shopping center, walked to the Eva Seed Company, unwrapped the newly purchased knife, and repeatedly stabbed Yamashita.
His actions during the stabbing were, in this court's view, highly focused, specific, and certainly very effective.
Fauatea has a long history of mental illness, and Judge Ram Trader said although mental health experts all agreed he was suffering from a serious psychotic episode that day, his actions prove his insanity did not substantially impair his judgment. The judge pointed out what Fauatea said to the first police officer who approached him after the stabbing, telling the officer, "I don't have anything. I dumped the knife." And in fact, the judge said more than one mental health expert believed Fauatea was exaggerating his mental illness to make it appear worse than it was. And for that, he will now be serving time in jail, not a state hospital.
The main thing we want everybody to know is this man cannot come out and do this to anyone else again and put any other family through what he put us through.
Jill Kuramoto, KITV4 News.
Fauatea will remain in custody. He faces mandatory life in prison when he is sentenced in June.